Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So I have filmed this video 3 times. The first time I didn't get very far. The second time I filmed the whole thing. I have hours of footage. I hate it all. My makeup didn't turn out good and I don't feel comfortable posting it. So I've decided to refilm this video just in time to have it up for Sunday. So I am doing the BRATZ style challenge. It's going to be like a gray, blue, smoky look, which I'm really excited about. I'm really excited to try it this round, and I hope it really turns out good for you guys. I'm really bad at makeup. I'm just not good. It always ends up looking muddy, and that's what happened last time. I'm really hoping that it doesn't this time. As you can see, I left my wings on from today. I didn't end up going out anywhere. I actually just did this, but my plans got canceled, and so I took off the rest of my makeup. So I am just gonna leave them on because I suck at wings. So anyway, let's get right into it. Okay, for starters, I took my NYX eyeshadow base in white and I primed my lid just because I'm working with the blue. So I want to set like a nice white base so the colors will show up, and then I set it with the powder. The first thing I'm gonna be doing though is I'm gonna be taking my Stila Mind palette and I'm gonna be taking the color Instinct, and I am gonna be putting that in my crease. I'm sorry if my mirror is in the way, by the way. I don't have my contacts in, so I'm having a hard time seeing. Now I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and blending that out a bit. I'm actually going to dip into the gray a bit, and I am going to use that to blend a bit more. I'm going to take a really thin tapered blending brush, and I'm actually going to go in with a black color. I'm actually taking one from this palette here, the Stila one. I'm going to go back in with the fluffy blending brush and the gray from before. For my lid color, I'm going to be taking a MAC eyeshadow, and it's the color Moon's Reflection. And I believe this is discontinued. I'm not completely sure, but I'm going to be packing this on my lid. I sprayed Fix Plus on my brush first, actually, and then I'm going to go in with that color. In the picture, you can see that it's lighter on the inner corner and darker on the outer corner, so I want this blue to really pop on the inner corner. Okay, so change of plans. My finger worked better and had better color payoff. I'm going to go back in with my taper blending brush and the black, and I'm going to define the crease a bit more since it kind of disappeared a little bit. Back in with the fluffy blending brush. I'm going to take the gray transition color and I'm going to pack that on my outer corner just to kind of darken up the wing. I'm actually going to be doing my wing off camera, and I will catch up with you in 1 second. Okay, I'm finished with the wings for right now. I might go in and darken it up, but I'm going to actually do my foundation first, and I'm going to highlight and contour and try to like fix up the wings a bit because they are a bit messy. And then I'm going to finish the eyes. I'm going to be using my NYX HD foundation. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm going under my eyes, obviously. I think I'm actually only going to go under my eyes, maybe a little bit my forehead, because her lip, her nose, and her chin really aren't highlighted too much. They're fairly bronze and dark. Next, I'm going to bake my face. I'm just going to set the rest of the face with the same RCMA powder. Okay, so I went in and I set everything, and I also did my eyebrows just the way I do them every day. Next, I'm going to do the highlight that she has, and she has a very, very iridescent color going all the way up on her brow bone. So, I'm not going to be taking an iridescent color. I'm actually going to be taking this nice color. It's called Iced Latte by L'Oreal, and it's the perfect highlight color, I think. I've been using it for my inner corner and I love it. I'm going to be wiping my powder away. Surprisingly, her under eye is not really smoked out. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to take the gray, but I'm just going to lightly put it under the eye just to connect it. Looking at the picture, she actually has the highlight color under her eye, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be going in my waterline, and I'm going to tightline as well with black eyeliner. And I'll see you in a second. Next, I'm going to go in with mascara, and I'm going to go in with The Real by Benefit. I also curled my lashes before this. You want the outer corners to have the most mascara just to make it have that winged effect. Okay, next I'm going to be going in with my contour. I'm going to be taking my favorite contour palette, and it's the It Cosmetics You Sculpted. I'm going in with the medium contour and the light contour because her contour is a warmer tone contour. I am going to go with a little bit of blush. I'm actually taking this Tarte blush that I got for free from Sephora, and I'm just putting that right here. Next, I'm going to be lining my lips. Okay, so I lightly lined my lips, and I did not overline my lips. I know that BRATZ, their lips are really big and overlined, but I suck at doing that. I don't ever overline my lips, so it just looked really bad last time I did it. But I just lined it with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Never Fail lip liner in the color brown. Next, I'm going to be going in with two lipsticks. I'm going to be going in with my Urban Decay lipstick in the color Trance and my Rimmel lipstick in the color Candy. First, I'm going to take the Urban Decay color, and then I'm going in with the Rimmel color. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Amber Soul Cosmetics Gold Dust palette. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Fix Plus on a fan brush and the color After Hours for my highlight. Obviously highlight that little button nose that you're supposed to have if you're going to look like a BRATZ doll. And one last thing, I'm going to go change into my outfit and put on some jewelry, and I will be back with you in 1 second. Are you guys ready for the final reveal? Alright guys, that is the completed look. I added in my own little hoop earrings that I got from Target just because she wasn't wearing any jewelry. I wanted the outfit to have a little something something because this is literally how I wear my hair every day, and I'm just wearing a simple tank top. But it matches almost identical to what she's wearing. I got this at Pretty Little Thing, and it was in my Pretty Little Thing first impression haul. I'll link that video down below for you guys to see. But yeah, here's the completed look, and let me tell you, this turned out 1,000 times better than last time. I don't think I really took my time with the video. After I had already filmed it once and I went in to film it a second time, I was kind of done and I rushed through it, and I really should not have done that because I ended up having to come back and do it again and do the whole thing over. But alright everyone, thanks for watching. Comment below, tell me what you thought of this video, tell me what other videos you want to see, give this a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and go on over to my Instagram. I post polls daily asking what you guys want to see so I can get your input, and it's really helpful to me that you go on over to my Instagram and do that so I can put out content that you guys love. So, alright everyone, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.